How to download Warzone on Xbox Series S or X. First of all, on the homepage, go to the search bar, click A on there, then just go ahead and type in Warzone. Now there's a few different things that will come up, but you want to make sure you click on the one you can see me doing on the screen now, where it's just the Call of Duty Warzone one by itself, not the one that says content on it. Then you'll be able to click install once you go into there. Then it will start installing Warzone. Now with that, Call of Duty will also be installed automatically. It's one of those things you can't just have the Warzone install by itself. So it will take slightly longer for it to download, because it's going to download Call of Duty, then Warzone. So it won't download fully everything to do with Call of Duty, like the full multiplayer. It will just download the Warzone. So this is the quickest way you can do it. There's also a video on screen about how to download fastest. This usually does take a long time, but that video will make it a little bit faster for you if you want to click there. Leave a like on the video for help and subscribe for more helpful videos.